Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to use Sendit on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Play Store and here you'll need to search for Sendit, and once you get the app, install this app. And one more thing, make sure to update your Snapchat app. And now open the Sendit app and tap on allow, and here you can edit the status by tapping on edit, and to change the background, tap on backgrounds and you can select any background, and you can also tap on see games and you can select any game from here. So I'm going to select in this game, and now I'm tapping on play. Okay, and to connect Sendit with your Snapchat, tap on continue. And it will automatically add it to your Snapchat snap. Just wait for a while, and now take a snap, and here you can see the game has been added here. Now you can send the snap to your story. So that's how you can use Sendit on Snapchat. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.